Hi again. Okay, everybody, we are going to make the sheep face. This one seemed the easiest place to start, and it's rather cute, and if you have some of the extra materials, you can decorate your face. If you have googly eyes and a cotton ball, you can give it some hair, give it some eyes, or you can just draw them on. Or you can find other things to glue on, cut out other construction paper, or if you have yarn, or anything else fun you want to decorate your face with. Okay, so let's get started. So I can make, the very first thing I'm going to need to do is I'm going to use my kids' extra paper because they're going through my paper like crazy. And so I'm going to use this blue that has a little line on this side, but I'm going to use this side as the side that faces out, so it should be just fine. But I have to first make it the square shape. So I'm going to take one edge that's short, doesn't matter that side or this side, and I'm going to fold it to the long side because I want to cut off that extra bit. But I have to make sure that when I crease it, I have a really nice crisp triangle. Okay, so when I see that both sides are even right here, then I can fold it, and I'm left with this section right here. And I do need my scissors. I'm going to turn it towards me so I can see, and I'm going to cut that part that's sticking off the top. I'm going to cut it off. Okay, so now I'm left with my square, and that's going to be my facing outward side. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make myself smaller so we can also look at the book. So step number 1, place the paper on a table with the point at the top. Your sheep will be the color of the face down side. So this is facing down for me. So I'm going to take step 2, and I'm going to take my top point and I'm going to fold it to the bottom point. I'm going to valley fold so it's facing away from me. I'm going to crease that over. Okay, so I fold it so that I have a triangle now. So now it looks like step 3. And I'm going to take my side as the right and touch it to the left. So I have this nice little triangle. Okay, so I've made 2 folds so far. I've started with a square, turned this way, and I've folded it down and then folded it over. Okay, so now I'm going to valley fold the top layer of the left point. So this is going to be the ears, and at the bottom part is cut off a little bit. So it says valley fold the top layer of the left point should stick out beyond the long side. Okay, so that means for me, I want it to stick out when I fold it over. So I'm just folding that top bit over, and so that it sticks out, because this is going to be the ear. When I think it looks good, that's when I'm going to crease it. Okay, and so then I have this other part here, and I have to do the same thing for that side so the ears kind of match. Okay, so it kind of looks like that. I folded that down. So then this is going to be my face. Alright, so one more time. I have the triangle, and there's 2 separate pieces right there. So I'm going to fold one side so that it points, it has it sticking out, and then I'm going to fold the other side so it matches and sticks out a little bit past that edge. If you need more time, you can go back, or you can rewind or pause. Okay. So now it's number 6. We're going to unfold it. And we have these ears, and we have the face shape. Okay, so now we're going to make that inside reverse fold on the tip of the ear right here, like we did in the other video. So I'm just going to work on this little tip right here for a minute. I'm going to fold it just a little up. I'm going to fold it the other way. And then I have to open it up and kind of put it inside. Okay, so that it makes a straight line. I'm going to make myself big so you can see that better. Okay, so what I did was I folded it up, I folded it down, and then I knew where that straight line was, and I folded it up inside so that it made a crisp straight line, like that. Okay, I'm going to do it on the other side now. So now my ears don't have that point. Okay, so on this side, I'm going to fold it up, and then I fold it down, and then I'm going to open up that crease and kind of tuck it inside. Okay, so now I have two ears, but they don't have the point on them. So that's number 7. Okay, so now my ears have that straight edge. Now I'm going to make the little straight edge. I don't want the point for the nose either. So I'm going to mountain fold the point up. So that means I want it to stick out. So I just want to fold it up under. Okay, so this is the front, and I want to fold it towards the bottom, like towards the back, so that you can't see that anymore. Okay, and then that's pretty much our face right there. Let me make myself big again. So the last steps are to just do the eyes, and then if you want to use a cotton ball for the head between the ears and a marker for the nose. I have a marker with me right now just in case you don't have those extra supplies. And so I might draw on my eyes. And I might try to find something white up here for the hair. And then it needs a nose. And it looks like it's like an oval. Of course, if you have the supplies to make your face more fun, if you have a cotton ball and some googly eyes, you can use those. And then you have your sheep face. I hope this one was fun and easy to start off with. Good job, everybody!